Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox a mix of the main lines and premiums as well. So last week I told you guys I will be unboxing the treasure and for of that N case. So I will be showcasing you that first. So let's start with that one. So this is a treasure and here you can see some paint chipping here. I don't know if it is excess paint or scrap. So this is the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. So personally, I'm a fan of cars. So when I bought this only because it's a treasure and else I would have never even bothered this one. Okay, and it is a glittery green. So okay, so here is the next one, my personal favorite, quick chat. So I will tell you a small story about this during unboxing of this particular one. So okay, it has this movable receiver as well. I mean, this is the mouthpiece and also the receiver. So I don't know how many current gen kids actually know about this one. So this is something like a strolling it down like a memory lane. So I will tell a small story regarding this, which happened in my life personally. I don't know how many people are going to believe that, but yeah. Okay. So next is this one, the Formula E Gen 3. So we did unbox one more Gen 3 car long back. I don't know what that is, but we did unbox. I personally have the majority versions of this one, but because they did it in a different way and they really nailed it. And here is the next one, the Peugeot. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Okay, I'm just going to go with Peugeot 9 is to 8 hypercar. Okay, so this is like 2025 new car for the specific year. Same goes for this one also, the quick bite also. Okay, so let's get to the next one. Yeah, so I really liked this one for some reason, so I bought it, the Maserati MC20. This is the premium and this is from the Boulevard series. So I bought it for MRP, which is 549. So last but not least, my personal favorite, which is this one, the Lamborghini LM002, the only SUV, I think, proper SUV, I can say. So they do have the Urus right now, but that is coming under Audi's badge. Like some of the parts are from Audi and all. This is, I think, the true Lamborghini SUV, I can say. So like standalone Lamborghini. Okay, so this one of my I can say is like my brother to me. So he actually helped me out to get this one. So I bought two of it as usual. Since it's a Lamborghini, I always buy two of it. So I bought because this one I'm going to unbox it. Okay, guys. With this said, so this is what we are going to unbox this week. Stay tuned and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.